Hello everyone and welcome. You guys have been asking me to review a 40-volt cordless blower for some time, and here we are. Today we're going to be looking at a 40-volt cordless blower that is comparable yet better than Harbor Freight Bauer or Atlas blowers. I always try to find you guys the best deals for the money, and today you'll see why this blower from Nasum is a great buy when compared to what Harbor Freight has to offer. More power, more speed, and at a lower price. So let's get into it. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's unbox this puppy and see what we have here today. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is the Nasum 40V 4Ah cordless blower, available on Banggood, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this whole unit kit right here retails for $79.99, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. So 2 years, you're covered, any problem whatsoever, contact Nasum, they'll take care of you. And what you get in the package is you start off with the owner's manual that has all the details about the warranty, maintenance, how to assemble it, all that. I suggest you read through that. And then you get the blower unit itself. You get a 2-hour rapid charger. You get a 40-volt 4Ah battery. And you get the 2 nozzle attachments that basically control how you blow, whether it's a larger airstream or more concentrated, totally up to you. Attach it to the unit and you're ready to go. Now the dimensions on this unit, when fully assembled, which I'll assemble it in a moment, is 40 inches in length, plus the tubes obviously, 5 inches in width, and 10 inches in height. This is 40-volt cordless brushless motor inside this unit, and the rapid charger, like I said, charges up in about 2 hours, which is pretty good for a 40-volt 4Ah battery. That's a lot of cells to charge up inside there. Now the runtime on this unit is anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the speed that you select. And the output is 480 CFMs. Now the speed, it has 3 different speeds that you can pick from on the control panel up here. And basically you have low, which is 92 miles per hour, high, which is 114 miles per hour, or turbo, which is 124 miles per hour. So that gives you a lot of choices right there as to how much speed you want to put out, whether it's mild cleaning or you need it for a lot of heavy debris and you want the maximum power possible. So this blower right here is really good for cleaning out garages, driveways, walkways, courtyards, any hard surface that you may have some leaves, clippings, grass, anything like that that you want to clear out. Now I said previously that this unit is better than what Harbor Freight has to offer. So how is this better than what Harbor Freight offers? Well, comparing it to either the Bauer or the Atlas, if you compare this unit to the Bauer unit, the Bauer blower costs $60 tool only. Then you have to spend another $60 for the battery and another $30 for the charger. So right there, it's a lot more expensive than this one. That one only has a speed of 96 miles per hour and only a 90-day warranty. So slower speed, lower warranty. And that one is only a 20-volt blower. Now, when you compare it to the Atlas is a 40-volt just like this one. But the Atlas blower is $85 tool only, so just the tool only costs you more than this whole kit right here. Then you have to spend $109 for the battery and $60 for the charger. So you're way at double the price of what this unit comes with everything to put everything together on the Atlas blower. That one only has 90 days of warranty, and the output on that one is only 105 miles per hour. This one has a longer warranty and more power. So you can see right off the bat how this is a whole lot better unit than even the Atlas blower at Harbor Freight. So let's put this puppy together. I'm going to charge up the battery, and then we're going to see exactly how well it performs. Alright, so I took a little bit of time and I charged up the battery, and this is the big brick style battery that you get for this blower. And it took about 2 hours, just like the manual says. You can see right there, fully charged up. Everything is ready to go as far as that goes. And to put the battery in, you put it in the back right here. We just slip it in. And you're ready to go. That's how convenient it slips right in there, right into the body. No protruding battery whatsoever. As far as assembling the blower, it's extremely easy. Here's the front blower. Like I said, you can use this one or these two together, your choice. To put on this one, all you do is slide in. You have some notches right here and slots right there. So you align these two, slip it in, twist it, that's it, you're done. You want to attach this one, so like I said, you can use it like that. You want to attach this one, again, same design. Slip it in, twist it, you're done. So that's a shot right there of the entire blower fully assembled. So let's take it outside and see what it can do. Alright guys, here we are outside, and there you see the blower fully assembled, fully charged up, and we're ready to go. And basically what I did was I got all the debris from my backyard collected in this one area, and I'm going to show you right now that's all the debris I could get throughout my whole backyard in this one area. That way we make it into a big pile, really heavy, a lot of leaves and dirt and clippings and all sorts of stuff in here. So it's really quite heavy. It's a lot of stuff to blow out. And let's see how the blower performs. Right now, I'm blowing it in a low mode, so this is just the lowest speed that it has, and it seems to be doing quite well. In a moment, I'll switch over to turbo mode, and you'll see exactly how that performs, and you have to basically select it on the little control panel that it has on the top side there. And then you hit the trigger, and it does what you tell it to do. But if you let go of the trigger, it'll go back to the standard low mode. So that's one thing you're going to see in just a moment. And right there, you see that it has a couple of buttons right there, and you have to hit either turbo or the one below it is low mode. And then you pull the trigger and you have to hit the button, and then it goes into turbo. And you see it's going a whole lot faster, and it blows a whole lot stronger. And considering, like I said, there's a lot of leaves and debris and grass clippings and dirt and everything in here, it's blowing quite well. And I'm going to show you in a little bit, once I finish blowing all this stuff, I'm going to blow it for quite a distance, so it actually does a fairly decent job. I mean, this is all the garbage that I collected from my entire backyard, so this would not be your average situation that most people would be using it in. But right there, it's doing a very good job compared to a gas blower. It's blowing just as well as a gas blower. So if you really don't want to mess with the gasoline and the oil and the filters and all that kind of stuff that go with a gasoline motor, then you don't have to. All you have is the battery, charge it up, and you go outside anytime and you're ready to go. And some of these blowers are supposed to be good to work in the winter for blowing snow and so forth, but I don't have any winter here to worry about. I mean, I don't have any snow to worry about, so that's nothing for me to be concerned over. But you saw right there, that's quite a distance that I just blew it all out, and they cleaned it up without any trouble. So now I'm just blowing everything because it's a little hard to see what I'm doing, looking through the camera and what's in front of me all at the same time. So it's a little bit awkward for me. But if you're doing this without a camera, it would be a whole bunch easier for you to do. Alright guys, there you have it. A review and demonstration of the Nasum 40V 4 amp hour cordless blower. As you saw, this blower has a lot of power for blowing out all sorts of garbage and debris around your property. I collected a huge amount of debris for testing, more than the average user will ever encounter. And this blower did a great job. This entire kit brings you everything you need to get started, and it costs less than the Bauer or Atlas blowers at Harbor Freight. It also has more power and a longer warranty. So if you're looking for a cordless blower that has a lot of power at a low price and brings everything you need in the package, I suggest you check this out on the Banggood website. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.